How does one make a farm more productive and maintain profitability for years and years to come? There is no single answer, but there are some practices that can be used to increase farm viability and productivity and maintain the environmental resources that are needed for continuity. Welcome to this video series on sustainable soil and farm management techniques in building resilient food system in Dominica. This initiative is coordinated by WUSC Dominica under the Sustainable Agriculture in the Caribbean project, funded in partnership with the Government of Canada through the Global Affairs Canada, GAC for short, and in partnership with CADI, Caribbean Agricultural Research Development Institute, the Partnership Initiative for Sustainable Land Management, the PISLM project, EnviroPlus Consulting Inc., Inter-American Institute for Cooperation on Agriculture, ICA, and the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries, Blue and Green Economy under the government of the Commonwealth of Dominica. Dominica, a captivating island nation nestled in the Eastern Caribbean, boasts a unique blend of natural wonders that make it truly extraordinary. Known as the Nature Isle of the Caribbean, Dominica's topography is a testament to its volcanic origins. The island's rugged terrain showcases dramatic peaks, dense rainforests, and cascading waterfalls that beckons explorers and nature enthusiasts alike. Its majestic Mont Wapito National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is home to the world's second largest boiling lake, a fascinating testament to Dominica's volcanic activity. The island's geographic location within the Lesser Antilles places it at the meeting point of the Atlantic Ocean and the Caribbean Sea, contributing to its lush biodiversity and vibrant marine life. Dominica's volcanic soils, enriched by centuries of volcanic ash and mineral deposits, provide the foundations for its productive lands. These young volcanic soils support diverse ecosystems and serve as the bedrock of the island's thriving agricultural industry. From its awe-inspiring topography to its volcanic features and exceptional soils, Dominica stands as a testament to the captivating forces of nature that has shaped its remarkable landscape. Let's begin this first part on the importance of soil health, the importance of knowing your soil type and your farm layout. Soil is formed from rocks that have been weathered slowly by the actions of living organisms. The sun, wind, rain, temperature changes, and chemical interactions over many years. A healthy soil performs 5 essential functions. It stores and regulates water. It acts as a filter and buffer from potential pollution, where minerals and microbes present in the soil breaks down chemicals and toxins, making our air and water clean. It cycles nutrients such as carbon and nitrogen. It provides nutrients that sustains a diverse array of plant and animal productivity. It provides the physical support for plant roots and for human structures. Soil is a mixture of about 5% organic matter, 45% mineral matter, that is, the sand, silt, and clay particles derived from the weathered rock, 25% water, and 25% air. So let's talk more about the different types of soils and how they affect crop productivity, water, and air movement. There are 4 main classes of soil types: sand, clay, silt, and loam. Sandy soils consist of the largest particle size, and because of this, water easily drains through their pores. This helps to prevent flooding and promote good soil aeration. However, it does not hold enough water for healthy plant growth and is poor in plant nutrients. Clay soils have the smallest particle size. The pore spaces between the particles are small and numerous. They hold a lot of water and nutrients. However, they do not drain well and have poor soil aeration, which affects plant growth. Silt soil is made up of intermediate-sized particles. They are more productive than sandy soil, and because of the larger pore spaces, they drain better than clay soil. One of the best soil types is loam, which is a combination of sand, silt, and clay. Because of this, it can hold enough water and nutrients for plant growth and has large enough pore spaces for water to drain and for good aeration. Let's see how to determine your soil types by the feel method. First, take some soil in the palm of your hands and moisten it slightly. with just enough water to form a ball. If it feels rough and gritty and cannot form a ball, it is sandy in nature. If it feels sticky and forms a ball when squeezed, it is clay in nature, and if it feels smooth or soft, it is silty in nature. There are many different soil types depending on the percentage of sand, clay, and silt. For better determination, take the formed ball and rub it between your thumb and forefingers, squeezing it upwards to form a uniform ribbon. Allow the ribbon to merge and extend over your forefinger until it breaks under its own weight. Measure the ribbon. If the ribbon is less than 1 inch and feels gritty, then it is a sandy loam. If the ribbon is between 1.5 and 5 inches long and feels very gritty, then it is a sandy clay loam. And if the ribbon is longer than 5 inches and feels gritty, then it is a sandy clay. Here, our ribbon is more than 5 inches and it does not feel gritty or smooth, so it is clay in nature. Soil type cannot be easily changed, but knowing your soil type helps to manage your production, on-farm practices, and general management technique. For example, Dachshunds love cool, wet areas. A clay soil that holds more water may be best suited for this crop, whereas vegetables which prefer well-drained soil may grow best on sandy or loamy type soil. Here is a map of Dominica showing some of the areas that have a sandy loam texture. The information present is general, and depending on your farm location, the soil type may differ. To know your exact soil type, contact your regional extension office or bring your soil sample to the Dominica Bureau of Standards in Stock Farm. In the second video, we will discuss slope and hillside farm management, understanding the characteristics of a good farm design, and measuring contours and slopes. So stay tuned as we build productive and resilient food system in Dominica.